Welcome to SAMZ Insights Hub. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI tools that can completely revolutionize how you manage your YouTube channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing SEO, creating thumbnails, scheduling videos, or trying to figure out what content your audience wants, then stick around. This video is for you. These AI tools will save you hours of work and take your channel to the next level. Let's jump right into it. Why automate your YouTube channel? We all know creating content is only half the battle. The real struggle, keeping up with the demands of managing your channel. Staying consistent with uploads. Optimizing for search engines, and analyzing performance. Sound familiar? Now, imagine having powerful AI tools that do all of that for you. These tools will handle SEO optimization, schedule your videos, and even create eye-catching thumbnails. That means more time for you to focus on what really matters, creating awesome content that your viewers love. So, let's talk about the first tool that every YouTuber needs in their arsenal. Tool number 1, TubeBuddy. Ever wished there was an easier way to get more views, rank higher in search results, and figure out exactly what your audience is searching for? TubeBuddy is your secret weapon. Think of it as your personal YouTube growth assistant. TubeBuddy does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this. You just finished editing a video on AI tools for YouTube. You know the content is great, but how do you make sure people actually find it? With TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, you can discover the best titles, tags, and descriptions that will get your video noticed. Here's a real-life example. You might start with a title like, Best AI Tools for YouTubers, but TubeBuddy will suggest an even better option with higher search volume like, Top AI Tools for Growing Your YouTube Channel. It's the difference between getting buried under thousands of videos or being on top of the search results. Sounds awesome, right? Plus, TubeBuddy offers A/B testing for thumbnails. Ever wonder which thumbnail will get more clicks? Test 2 different designs and TubeBuddy will tell you which one grabs more attention. More clicks, more views, more subscribers. It's that simple. How to use TubeBuddy. 1. Install the TubeBuddy extension. 2. Use the Keyword Explorer to find the best tags and titles. 3. Try out A/B testing for thumbnails. 4. Watch as your video performance skyrockets with AI-driven insights. TubeBuddy is the shortcut to getting noticed on YouTube without doing hours of SEO research yourself. You focus on the content, and let TubeBuddy handle the rest. Tool number 2, VidIQ. Next up, we have VidIQ. If you've ever wondered how top creators always seem to know what content to make, VidIQ is the answer. This tool helps you spot trends before they blow up. Imagine having insider knowledge about which topics are about to go viral. VidIQ not only helps with keyword research but also gives you real-time analytics. That means you can see how your videos are performing the second they're uploaded. If something's not working, VidIQ lets you know so you can tweak your strategy on the fly. Let's say you run a tech channel and aren't sure which AI topics are trending. VidIQ analyzes what's currently hot in your niche and suggests video ideas that are sure to capture your audience's attention. Imagine creating videos that are perfectly timed to hit a trend, all thanks to VidIQ's AI recommendations. How to use VidIQ. 1. Install the VidIQ extension and link your YouTube channel. 2. Use the video idea generator to discover trending topics. 3. Track your video's performance with real-time analytics. 4. Use SEO recommendations to tweak titles and tags for better performance. VidIQ is your AI-powered secret to staying ahead of the competition. Think of it as your personal data analyst, working 24/7 to ensure your channel is always in the game. Tool number 3: Canva for thumbnails. You've heard the phrase, "Don't judge a book by its cover," right? Well, on YouTube, people definitely judge videos by their thumbnails. That's why having a killer thumbnail can make or break your video's success. Canva makes it super easy to design eye-catching thumbnails, even if you have zero design experience. Picture this: you just wrapped up a video on the top AI tools for YouTubers, but now you need a thumbnail that pops. With Canva, you can either use pre-made templates or start from scratch, and in minutes, you'll have a professional-looking thumbnail that grabs attention. Here's a pro tip. Canva uses AI-powered design suggestions to help you create thumbnails that align with your content. You can add elements like bold text, vibrant colors, and even your logo to make your videos stand out. How to use Canva. 1. Head over to Canva and sign up for a free account. 2. Browse through their thumbnail templates or start from scratch. 3. Customize the design with your images, text, and AI suggestions. 4. Download the thumbnail and upload it to your video. With Canva, you don't need to be a graphic designer to make amazing thumbnails. It's all about creating something that catches the eye and gets those clicks. Tool number 4: Hootsuite for scheduling. Lastly, let's talk about Hootsuite. Now, this tool isn't just for YouTube, it's for your entire social media strategy. Ever struggle with figuring out the best time to post? Or maybe you want to schedule videos in advance so you can take a break while your channel runs on autopilot. Hootsuite is your go-to solution. Imagine this: you've got a big video launch next week, but you'll be out of town. No worries. Hootsuite lets you schedule your videos in advance, so they post automatically at the most optimal time for your audience. Here's how it works. Hootsuite analyzes your viewers' activity and suggests the best times to schedule your posts. That way, you can ensure your video goes live exactly when your audience is most active, leading to more engagement and views. How to use Hootsuite. 1. Sign up for Hootsuite and link your YouTube channel. 2. Schedule your videos ahead of time using AI recommended times. 3. Let Hootsuite handle the posting while you sit back and relax. 4. Track post performance directly from the Hootsuite dashboard. With Hootsuite, you never have to worry about missing the perfect posting window again. It's like having a social media manager in your pocket, making sure your content is seen by the right people at the right time. Summary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SAMZ Insights Hub for more awesome tips on how to use AI to grow your YouTube channel faster. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, SAMZ Insight Hub.